Okay, Zino 2 taking off with all the new firmware updates done on it. Hold on, what if we stopped the screen recording on that last slide here? Hold on. We did. Okay. Yeah, Zino 2 going up, all the latest firmware updates, and I had that special firmware update that nobody else seemed to get because I went out and got mine on Monday, so we're going to see how that goes here. It's going to be short flight here. We're not going to fly probably the full cable here. Prop low. Phone is low on battery. Okay, so now maybe do a new transmitter update, version 1.14, 6.4 megabits. Upgrade. Sorry, I didn't do a screen recording here. Probably can't see this in the sun. So I just did a transmitter update Monday. So, and I haven't flown a drone since because of bad weather this week. So now it's making me do another one already. So that's kind of strange, but we're going to find out what's going on here. All right, so we're just kind of waiting for this thing to restart here, the transmitter. I hope the drone didn't get another update because I'm running out of sun and time here. Since I just did updates on Monday, I don't know, March 30th, I don't ever know the date. And this is April 4th here. Again, I just didn't expect to have another updates before I even test flew the updates before. So this says Hubsan is really busy with the updates on this thing, and hopefully that's a good thing here. So just waiting for this thing to reboot and whatever, and we're gonna get this up in the air, hopefully. And the sun is starting to set here. It's finished. All right, let's see. Let's get this on the video. Switch to video. It says we're ready to fly here. I don't know what our video settings are, but we're just gonna go with whatever they are. Okay. I've got 17 satellites ready to take off. I don't know if you can see this thing, but look at it hovering. Hands off the sticks. Look at that perfect hover. Where's the Hubsan drop now? That is the perfect hover. So let's go out and get some video now, okay?